Welcome everyone to our review of the 7am 2am Smart Electric Toothbrush, featuring a helpful LED screen. This device offers 5 specialized cleaning modes and 3 intensity levels for a truly personalized experience. A smart timer reminds you to switch areas every 30 seconds to ensure a professional clean. You can enjoy 90 days of use on a single charge, thanks to the powerful battery. The waterproof design allows for shower use and supports ultra-fast wireless charging for your convenience. 8 included brush heads feature special bristles that fade when it is time for a replacement. This durable toothbrush provides high-quality oral care and comes with a full year of customer assurance. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.